First one, make sure you're safe, not only when you're at home but also when you're traveling. This safe stands out because of its special feature. Even with the correct combination, it cannot open due to a specific lock in one of the places. Both policemen and people might benefit from this headrest safe. It is made of steel that is around 2 mm thick and is simple to install in a matter of seconds. The fact that thieves won't consider inspecting the headrests is one obvious benefit. Unless that is they have seen our videos. The engine of the next Chevrolet Corvette, ZR1 2025, is expected to produce more than 800 horsepower. However, this car's earlier variants are still quite powerful. But some owners have a need for more, which leads to these kinds of modifications. This gun safe is made to hold two 1911 Nighthawk custom handguns and extra magazines. Is it feasible to keep many kinds of wine in one barrel? Of course, if this is the upgraded version. This barrel's lifting mechanism can support up to 45 kilograms, so you can easily store not just bottles, but also a corkscrew, a 6-glass rack, and other accessories. It also has Bluetooth compatibility. Were you aware that certain cars have hidden compartments built right in? Consider this Chevrolet. There's a chamber hidden behind the screen of the entertainment system, featuring a USB port for charging your electronic devices. Have you ever wished for a home or apartment that looked like it belongs in an action movie? You may start by assembling these covert storage containers. The basic lifting system has an upper limit of 71 kilograms and, thanks to ACT technology, will stop if there is an obstruction in its path. In addition, a cunning customer added a fingerprint reader to the safe to give a little Hollywood flair to the unlocking process. Consider creating a hidden hallway that leads to the garage and looks like a wood pile while you're repairing the fireplace. First is a really interesting solution. The cabinet performs the function of the door while maintaining its main purpose. The cabinet and its contents together may weigh as much as 120 kilograms. Among other things, this secretly useful furniture is great for keeping guns. It can be customized by including cutting-edge Bluetooth and RFID access technologies. The design is robust. Up to 14 kilograms can be easily handled by even a small square cabinet. This house's owners desired a naturally occurring stone wall that hid a hidden passageway. Knowing which stone to touch makes things intriguing because there's a secret passageway connecting to a hidden area of the house beyond the wall. What secrets are kept there is not disclosed by the video's producer. What do you suppose they maintain there? All throughout the world, people are choosing to live in small apartments. In Japan, for example, studio and capsule apartments make up about 10% of all flats in newly constructed buildings. These furniture's designers strive to make the most of every available area. If you open the door and lay a mattress on it, maybe one more person can make this area their home for the night. The area in the corner between pieces of furniture is commonly left empty in many homes and apartments. So why not think about putting this kind of safe here? This version blends in perfectly with the dresser and is perfect for tucked away jewels, pricey watches, and other items. Additionally, you may use your smartphone to raise and lower the safe. The restoration of this old home was a challenge to the building team. The client's goal was to retain cellar access while adding a deck. Instead, the specialists used their creativity and added spring-loaded hinges. The result is so useful that kids can open this door with ease. The the proprietor of the covert concept Secret Door, has experience in security, having worked at a top-secret US government establishment. It makes sense that his company specializes in the installation of covert devices given his knowledge of them. For example, this door can be set up to conceal valuables or function as a weaponry chamber. Every project is customized to be distinct. The professionals drive a car with no license plates to your house to increase secrecy. Do you recall MTV Cribs? It displayed famous homes and all the incredible modern possessions they possessed. All of us have access to equally awesome possibilities. What if your living room contained a swimming pool? You could even construct a 5x2-meter pool if you have the available area. The bottom has a height adjustable feature, and the reinforced concrete construction and reinforced membrane provide safety and waterproofing. This is an equally impressive winery. The proprietor spared no expense. Not only did it have an amazing entrance, but M&M's cellar systems provided the refrigeration system. After all, the ideal storage temperature for sparkling wine is between 7 and 9 degrees Celsius. Nitrogen is used in the M&M's basement system's basement for this reason. The world's first smart safe that is deftly hidden inside a smart lamp is IllumiSafe. The designers of this inventive gadget claim that conventional buttons and keys are obsolete. The safe can now be readily unlocked with an RFID key or smartphone. In addition, the safe has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi message sending capabilities. Its designers went above and beyond by including a variety of drawers and shelves for increased convenience, and it is intended to hold objects like jewelry or weapons. Quantum Park is prepared to create any kind of covert lift, regardless of how unusual. Do you need a model for more than one car at once? No problem. Do you want to construct a car lift demonstration inside a restaurant? Not an issue. Want to hide not just a car but a boat, for example? This type makes it easier to launch the boat into the water in addition to lifting it. It should be noted that even the lifting system's basic model is capable of supporting 3 tons. Floris Schoendebeek, a Dutch designer, has gained recognition for his imaginative and inventive designs. The unusual wine cellar with a ground fridge. Just like the beer cellar, this one also effectively cools its contents, keeping them at a temperature of 10 to 12 degrees Celsius. Schoendebeek has included a time-controlled ventilation system to prevent air stagnation. 500 kilos of food can be stored in the 300 kilos weight of the ground fridge. The professionals in this project did their best to create a wall-mounted secret entrance. Maybe it's not the best idea to play hide-and-seek with this house's owner. This special safe is a revolution in the safe storage of priceless and vital objects. It looks like a book and fits right in on a bookshelf. The safe is large enough to fit 2 smartphones and 2 passports inside, measuring 22 by 15 by 4 centimeter. It comes with 2 keys as well. Specialized in attic and basement trapdoors is the Hebel Tech team. For those who own a gun at home, or at the very least an arsenal, here is an alternative. They can be set up with app, fingerprint or pin access systems upon request. The trapdoor can also be set up to open and close automatically. It can also be equipped with lighting and mineral wall insulation if necessary. Naturally, the same business may also make a ladder to go with the trapdoor. Those Artisan provides an escape room specific fireplace. Only after all necessary components have been placed correctly will the hidden route become accessible. In order to satisfy even the pickiest consumers, the fireplaces and additional accessories are offered not only pre-assembled, but also with unique software upgrades. Germany was among the top 10 nations in the world for beer consumption in 2020, reaching 92.4 liters per person. Experts from Germany suggest storing beer in these covert refrigerators. With them, you may now follow the recommendation of the beer producer and store the beverage in a cool, dark area. Up to 15 bottles can fit within each fridge, which can be conveniently rotated 360 degrees. Assembling this pool table, the professionals had to carve out a 5-meter deep niche in order to produce this table. In addition, 4 drives with a stroke of around 91 centimeters and 4 more drives with a stroke of 30.5 centimeters were fitted. Gates Power Grip GT3 timing belts and pulleys were used in the design process. The Arduino microcontroller controls the table's proper operation. Thus, in conclusion, through an app, the owner can change the table's height and, of course, wow their guests. This is an intriguing fix, a fingerprint reader connected to a hidden opening in the mirror. This gun cabinet was made with police and security personnel in mind, enabling them to keep the trunk filled with their entire armament. The cabinet's internal measurements in one form are 100 by 40 centimeters. Velcro straps are used to secure the weapons, and a remote control or manual operation are available for opening the cabinet.